another episode of Gears and Rice. Anyways, I got this front splitter. We're gonna install in the Toyota 86 today, and I got this from I think it's called Aeroflow, if I'm correct. And well, we're gonna try to install it today. So let's follow me this way. We'll go to the magical gates. We already jacked up the car, by the way. Let me close the gate so the kids don't get out. Alright, so got this out here already, and came with some hardware, as you can see, washers, screws. And I had to buy these rods separate, so I might have to drill my own holes. And this actually already comes with pre-drilled holes. Damn, I keep hitting everything, as you can see. Alright, so let me see the camera. Okay, so we already came across one issue because I took these two screws out, as you can see right here. There we go. Can you see that, David, or no?
Yeah.
Alright, I took these screws out. These are a little short. So this is plastic, so I'm just gonna put this screw in there and it should hold it. It'll just re-thread itself. Alright, so we're gonna have to take all these clips off right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All those, and maybe these bolts as well. And we're gonna have to drill our own holes on this thing. So let me adjust that camera. Yeah, we're gonna have to drill our own holes on the bumper. Anyways, just enjoy me taking bolts off, or clips off. You didn't bring your other thing, huh?
No, what? No.
How do you take these out?
It probably don't like wiggle, like that, and then bolt all around it, and they come off.
So I probably need 2 screwdrivers.
No, just work around it. Because he just pop, yeah, like that way. And then pull out. Well, some of these break because they're so they get brittle very fast because of the sun.
Yeah.
And you just pop out like that.
One now. Probably better if you had the tabs for it, but I mean the tool for it. Sorry.
Yeah.
Somebody didn't bring their tool.
Kind of lazy. So now we gotta work in the hot floor. On what is it, like 90 something degrees?
Hey, speak for yourself. I'm I put a blanket here. Ow.
Surprisingly, these are kind of dusty, man. Yeah, they're dirty already. Well, make sure you wear safety glasses or something so stuff from goes in your eye. Yeah, that's a good nerd. Safety first. How do I have a nerd too? Alright, that one. Yeah. Some are pain, some are this is just the debris, huh? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, no, it's just those are the 10, right? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you lost that. Yeah, that's like it's always lost. Oh, here's this. I mean, I lost one of them already, but once you're 10mm, hit the face, that's it. Never comes back. It's always active. Oh, wrong way. Is that in it too, huh? No, it's separate. Actually, I can't tell from there. I'll find out when I take it out. We gotta get this one too. Little. Comes off. Nope, need this one too.
Well, that one's a little weird. Ooh, that's it, right there. Ooh, let me take off the other end real quick. Bam.
So after removing the first cover that you see right here, we removed the second one that was right there, which is only the 3 bolts, which is 1 right there, 2, 3, and there's like 2 clips on the side, which are like, it's where these holes are right here. But removing that gives you a lot of space to kind of work your way around. So when you put the screw, for example, right here, we already put one. So hold on, let me see if I can. So you see it right there. Wait, hold on, give me 1 second. That screw right there. So it gives you enough space for you to fit your hand and screw it tight. I do suggest, if you're going to be doing this, having 2 people. That way, when you can have one person kind of like hold it up on one side. So that way, hold on, give me a second. That way it can look, somebody can hold it up while the other person is like drilling from the bottom, so that way it can like line up properly and have like equal size length on both sides. But so far it's coming out pretty clean, not bad. I mean, a few complications, not too crazy. It's just a little bad for us because it's like 90 something degrees and we're dying. And then the guy that was working on his own car gave up.
Almost quit. This close.
Almost quit. Started having like
that heat, the heat stroke.
He was having a heat rage. He was already gonna like, just leave the car just like that. But we're doing good. But anyways,
we're just gonna.
So now, yeah. So right now he's just drilling the rest of the holes. So because like I said, he already got one right there. But when you have somebody just hold it on one side, he uses the pre-existing holes that the part comes with, and then just drills into the bumper. And that's about it.
So we're gonna drill another hole right here, and here, and here. So I'm just gonna go like this, and then kind of eyeball it. Probably put it in the same spot as this, because it's not too far off. Look at that, almost a finger.
Yeah, so he's gonna make his own hole on the actual part, because the way it lines up with the drill, the hole that they did, it doesn't really match up right.
Oh, perfect. All right.
Yeah.
Hey, look, maybe just leave the texture. Yeah. Okay. Actually, you know what? That might be the only option, no?
Yeah, it looks like it is.
Because
you can't get under it from the back?
no, I could get in the back. It just if I drill that big thing, I think it's gonna cut off the edge of it.
Oh, then leave it like that.
The texture?
Well, yeah, because I mean, as long as it holds it right, that's what matters. It's not like anybody's gonna see it besides YouTube.
Yeah. Let me see. I guess I'll put this in for the texture for now. Maybe get different screws. Okay. That one's in.
That's good, right?
Let me come over here about other side. Okay, same thing over here. Back it up. Just ooh. Pretty much it. Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Oh, it looks clean. You got all the screws in already or no?
Yeah, I'm not gonna put anything in the middle. No point.
Alright.
I'm thinking if I should drill the hole out or not. Or maybe I should buy different screws, like skinnier ones.
Well, you could.
Oh, you guys threw that. Remember those nuts we had?
I think we still have them at the house. I don't know.
And you're like, oh, should I throw them away?
I think they're still at there. You would have to go look.
Should we pause it and come back?
Yeah.
Just to see if there is some.
Alright, we'll be back. We're gonna go check to see if we have different hardware. So we'll be back.
Okay, so we put this rod in already. So I drilled the hole here, and to tighten the back over here on the other side, you kind of have to kind of get in with like either something like this or a little wrench. And this was just let me see, 932s that I used right here. And then I tightened these. I actually didn't tighten this one. Tighten this one. There you go. That's gonna go, right? And I'm just gonna measure the same thing over here to get this side over here. I already marked these actually, but I'm gonna show you how I measured it. I just went from this, hoping that's the same distance as the other one. 2.5. 2.5 right there. So mark that, kind of eyeballed the center. And then here I measured from the R, in the middle of the R. And then be like right there, 8 3/4. So I just did 8 3/4 this way. And somewhere around there. So we're just gonna drill them out and then put the rod in. Ooh, don't do that. Sorry. Oh, the other thing you don't want to do is this when you're drawing.
Let's see if I can capture it on the camera. Yeah, a little bit.
Alright. Drill this one out.
Swear every mod you've done, you damaged your car somehow.
For real.
Sweet.
What is it? You live and you learn or something like that?
Trial and error.
Yeah, this thing just twists kind of thing.
Oh, yeah.
So
the rod extends. So.
Ooh. Always hate working with small stuff. Where'd the washer go? Oh. Of course. This one was kind of the tough one. Only because it's kind of I guess that wasn't that tough, huh?
What happened?
Kind of slightly messed up, yeah.
Looks funky or what? No, it looks the same.
Yeah?
Yeah, it looks good.
Alright.
Can you see, like, if I put the camera under there, would you be able to see what you're doing?
To be honest, I can't even see myself. I'm just kind of eyeballing it.
Let's see if we can see. Camera.
Not really the most best spot in there.
Oh, you can kind of see. I see what you mean. Yeah, it's kind of tough in there.
That thing got giant hands. Oh shit.
Alright, once we get this done, we'll come back.
Okay, so just a quick thing. We already put it on and finished it, right? Just make sure you tighten all these bolts, like this one and this one right here, the one in the bottom, and then these again on both sides. And you could also like adjust it to your that way you kind of make it kind of level, because we had to do that ourselves. So anyways, this is pretty much the Aeroflow frontlet.
The light. Came out really clean.
Alright, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell notification. And we'll see you next time.